Welcome back to the Roy Garage. On this episode, you're going to be watching Jake, myself, and Greg Roy tear apart his Chevy 305. I'm going to do my best to narrate this, so if you are tearing apart a 305, this video should help. Let's get to the action.
Let's get started.
Alright, first things first, you want to try to scrape off as much gunk as possible. Yep. And then start removing accessories.
You might want to break your bar for this one.
Yeah, sure, yep. You break the...
Yeah, before I break the...
Yep, there you go.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Wait until you buy your own tools, and then you'll think twice about doing that right there.
What we found that works the best is getting some red Solo cups and a marker and labeling those red Solo cups so you can put the bolts in so you don't lose your place with where those different bolts go.
That was pretty difficult. Ooh. Oh, you ripped that off. You ripped it right away.
Oh, jeez.
I don't know, huh?
Yep, action. What are you doing here, Leroy?
Taking the intake manifold off.
Camera? Screwdriver.
After you get those accessories removed, it's start to take the intake manifold and heads off. Oh, I still feel like there's something holding it down. Like one more bolt right here, Jake. Jeez. Before I start smashing into this, make sure you smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on notifications, and share it with all your friends. After banging on this intake manifold, we realized that we needed to take the valve covers off. They had a little lip on them that was holding that thing on.
All right, here's a moment of truth here for these heads. Any in it?
Oh, wow.
Hydraulic even, aren't they? Hydraulic.
Alright, here we go.
Recording? It's over here, it's this thing.
Warm up the carburetor.
You can't forget about that little carburetor heat up little tube that goes into the head a little bit. That was what was holding this intake manifold off, so we just had to take a couple bolts off, get a screwdriver in there, and pry it out.
Why wasn't...
I do want to thank all of our 155 subscribers, helping us get so close to our 160 goal. So if you haven't subscribed, help us hit that threshold, hitting that subscribe button.
Oh. What's it? Oh, look at what do we got right there? What the?
That's not good.
No.
Looks pretty new though.
Yeah, does it?
Doesn't look too bad.
Oh,
Yeah, that
I
was...
wonder why it was so knocking so bad.
Well,
That's what I was
make up
thinking.
your mind, Dad. Is it good or is it bad? All right, so we continue removing some accessories, and then we move to taking off these head bolts.
No, they won't. The guy thought I'd love to do that.
Oh.
You need a little bigger handle on there, I think. Son of a...
What do you have to say after that, Dad?
Oh!
Guys, smash that like button just like Dad smashed his finger, alright? Work over.
So our plan with this engine was to get it tore apart, take a look at the internals, assess the engine, and then come up with a game plan on what we wanted to do with it.
Dad's got it. Dad's got it.
We found that the short block was in pretty good shape. The heads needed a little work, so we got those taken care of. So all this thing really needed then was just good cleaning, some paint, and a few new parts put back together. It should be good to go.
Heck yeah.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful if you're tearing apart your Chevy 305. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on next time when Dad possibly gets this engine painted up super nice, the head's redone, and possibly running on an engine run stand that he builds. If you can't find him handsome, at least you'll find him handy. Let's get started.